Hello friends, in today's video let's explore what is infinite scrolling, its benefits and drawbacks and when to use it. Any listing page which loads content continuously as the user scrolls down without pagination is known as infinite scrolling. Now let's have a quick look at the listing page with infinite scrolling and its benefits, post which we will see the drawbacks and when to use it. So let's see an example of infinite scrolling. So I'm on this site called Behance, and if the user scrolls down through the post, if you see over here, so there's no end to this page. The user keeps scrolling this page. There's no pagination or load more button below the page. So this is called infinite scrolling. So let's see top 3 benefits of infinite scrolling. The first one is less disruptions. Second, it reduces interaction cost. And third, suitable for mobile devices. When the user scrolls down the page, the biggest highlight of infinite scrolling is that it helps to create a seamless experience and encourages users to stay engaged on the page. Second, reduces interaction cost. If the page loads new items continuously and quickly, without users have to press pagination button or next button and wait for a new page to load, the interaction cost is dismissed. The popularity of infinite scrolling was related to steep rise of mobile devices. Nowadays, everyone is using their mobile devices for browsing contents. Mobile viewports are small. Users are already engaging in extensive scrolling, keeping their finger close to the screen and ready to swipe up or down. So now let's see the top 3 usability issues caused by infinite scrolling. The first one is feeling of completeness. Second, increasing page load. And third, obviously, the impact on SEO performance. So when we talk about feeling of completeness, on some pages, the infinite scrolling is used without a load more button. That can give an illusion of completeness. The user may assume that the end of the content of that page as the new content loads in the background below the fold. Usually this problem arises when there is no indication that additional content is loading. Second one is increasing of the page load. Sites with infinite scrolling often tend to take longer to load due to the infinite flow of new content. There could be a ton of content to be loaded whenever the users return to the list. Another, the slow speed tends to be a problem for mobile users due to variable connectivity issues or any user in the area with low bandwidth or limited data plans. So many companies have launched their light version of the application like Facebook Lite and Instagram Lite. It requires less data to function. And the third one, poor SEO performance. Infinite scrolling can negatively impact the SEO performance of your website because the search engine crawlers cannot always access all the content that is hidden or below the fold on your page. So another option of using the infinite scrolling is the page with load more button option or show more button option. Load more buttons have gained popularity recently, particularly in mobile sites and applications. This approach is not only used on e-commerce websites but also on Google's mobile search result page, if you have seen. Adding a load more button reduces some of the usability issues created by the typical infinite scrolling where there is no load more button or no pagination. To conclude, what is the best solution for a website? You should ask always yourself a question like, who are your users? What are your users' goals when they visit your site? Which device do your users primarily use for accessing your website or application? So to finally conclude, infinite scrolling approach is recommended where users will want to scroll through similar items with no particular task or goal in mind. For example, social media sites, entertainment or news. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel and press the like button, and if you have any comments, please share your comments below.